I know why moms are afraid to cook Vietnamese food. It's because they think it's an impossible task to get and capture the authentic flavors of Vietnam. They also think that it's very time-consuming. But I'm here to show you that you can do it. In Savor Vietnam 2, I'll teach you the secrets to making rich and flavorful beef stew pho, seafood pho with fish balls, and the delicious Bun Cha with grilled lemongrass pork. You won't struggle because you'll get a complete guide to ingredients available in your local market. We'll go step by step through each technique, and I'll share time-saving tips perfect for busy moms. Just imagine, you'll be your family's go-to Vietnamese chef. Are you ready to level up your Vietnamese cooking skills? Join me in Savor Vietnam 2, only here at the Bailiwick Academy.